Taco itself as a company seems like a really special place to work. The emphasis it puts on its people, its culture, and its commitment to excellence. It reminds me a lot of Shaman in a lot of ways, and I think culturally we're a good match, but what this learning center is going to do for Taco is enable it to really focus on those three areas and take it to the next level.
Taco brings a unique vision to this project that was what actually caused us to initially be completely attracted to it. For us, it was sort of like, this is a group that get it. They get that lifelong learning is the essential component to moving your life forward, your employees forward. Everybody needs to be moving forward, progressing and advancing. If you did a building that in fact, focused completely on this in a very practically innovative way, not a cutting edge or leading edge way, but basically showing the amount of practical innovation that could be applied to projects all over the place, you can have a dramatic effect, and so their excitement and their ambitions have driven the whole project.
I think the team members from Taco have just such an energy and enthusiasm and passion about this expansion and this project. It really makes the project fun for all team members. And I think the design team, Taco, Shamit, Baker, and the outline consultants have really come together as a team, formed strong bonds, and are really, at this point, working towards a common goal.
The greatest privilege, I think, that we can say is that we work for people that we would have chosen as friends outside of the project. And that kind of relationship, quite frankly, changes the outcome. It ceases to be a project, it ceases to be just a building. It's actually a solid testimonial to a group of relationships and working together.
This is about taking Taco to a whole nother level. First and foremost to us, to our employees. This project was undertaken and completed for you. Everything else comes next. But this is for you, from me, so that you know our commitment to your lives, to your growth, your prosperity, to your families. I love this company with all my heart and soul. God bless you.